Hello guys and welcome on board. So this is the first montage of the highlights from my stream, and I hope you enjoyed the video because I definitely have fun streaming this last maybe 1.5 month, pretty much every day. So hope you enjoy guys, and I'll see you later. TPing so. I'm gonna wait for your ultimate.
Awesome. Got the stone now.
Oh, that's a penta!
That's better.
No! I'm done. See ya guys. Oh, one banana.
Back.
There we go, boys. No!
Fuck!
What? I didn't see your HP! What? Whoa, I'm sorry, man. I really didn't do it on purpose.
Well, you just saved me by killing him. That's quite amazing.
What?
If you look in the chat.
That's the Danish way to say I love you.
You better.
Hey, Smitterling man, what's up? Welcome. Fucking love you, buddy.
This will be my last game because I'm starting to die. Like,
Really, dude? Really? Woo!
I got an ult in my head. I just don't know it.
No! What? Not again! I'm done, dude. I'm throwing away my ult.
Left side.
Okay, I can't do anything with the ult.
One AWPing on B, go
Left side, yeah.
Ah! Ah!
Oh no!
What? What's going on?
No. Holy shit. No!
That's so weird.
Fuck! Starting to bring it out. It's not that good. A nice backflip.
It was okay. Okay, where are they?
if you have the warehouse.
Oh, I see him.
To the
And
left on the roof. They're throwing mollies at me.
oh, I see him. Yeah.
I hate you guys.
Oh! Whoa! It's B. I'm on my way.
There's 3 on D. Bomb is B.
I'm from behind, I'm T-spawn.
Did you see that kill, dude? I just sprayed through the door and got one.
What? Die! One on side, yeah.
Nice, good job.
There we go.
I'm so close.
Okay, you can get it, bro.
Oh yeah, you better. Maybe you're trying. Damn it!
That's too fucking funny.
This is perfect. I can live with that. So what is gonna happen is I'm gonna attack this by then, and then I will see if it's a new one, and then I can shut off flame and hit him in the face. Yeah, that's gonna be the plan. Let's see what happens. What? So hey guys, I hope you liked the video, and that was my first montage of my first highlights from some funny moments of the stream. I did miss highlighting some of some other good stuff though. I'll make sure to get that on the next one, and make sure to leave a follow on Twitch, and I'll see you around next time, boys. Peace out.